Hello traders, in this video we're looking at the Stix Indicator for MT4. This tool is a custom technical indicator designed to help visualize market momentum and trend conditions directly on your MetaTrader 4 chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now, as you can see, the Stix indicator typically appears as a line or histogram in a separate sub-window below the main price chart, fluctuating above and below a central reference level. When the indicator values move strongly above the baseline, it visually implies increasing bullish momentum, and when they move strongly below it, it implies increasing bearish momentum. The shape and slope of the line or bars help you see whether momentum is building, fading, or moving sideways, making it easier to distinguish trending phases from consolidations. As indicator responds to a new price data, it provides a continuous visual summary of underlying strength or weakness without prescribing exact entry or exit rules. As you can see here, reflecting the price movement on the main chart. Now let's move over to the settings. We have the look back or the length, which affects how quickly it reacts to change in prices. We also have how smooth it should be and the mode. We also have the colors, which lets you customize line or bar color and thickness. So bullish or bearish momentum shifts are easy to spot on your MT4 charts. Now, who is it for? This Stix indicator is suited to traders who want a dedicated momentum and trend strength tool to complement other indicators and price action analysis. It's an analytical tool only as a derived measure of past prices, and it can lag at turning points and generate false or late signals, especially in very volatile or range bound markets. It should be combined with support and resistance, higher time frame context, and robust risk management rather than being used on its own. And you can find the description the download link for the indicator. You can also read more about the Stix Indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.